University signifying the official completion of this academic milestone. And now, let us witness the recessional march. Leading our recessional march, we have our distinguished guest from the Department of Education, Dr. Norman Oko, Chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, and together with him are the student of Indiana Aerospace University administrative staff, led by our university president and founder, Dr. Jumino Lee, our chairwoman of the board, Madam Cecilia Lee, our chief executive officer, Dr. Harold Lee, and our university dean and basic education department school director, Dr. Lumita Pinigasco. Following them are the student members of the Indiana Aerospace University, administration, faculty, and staff, headed by our school principal, Madam Eulalia O. Coyote, our assistant principal, Ms. Jocelyn Amelia Cinco, our university counselor, Sister Maria Nina Sevilla, OSF, our campus ministry representatives, Sister Maria Rosal M. Martinez, OSF, and Sister Maria Eto Enriquez. Next in line, our activity coordinator and disciplinary officer, Mrs. Rosemary L. Humawan, and our department coordinators, Ms. Leope Salazar, Ms. Hazel Pulgara, and Ms. Genevieve Imbo. Next in the line are our esteemed faculty of the basic education department. The completers and graduates of Indiana Aerospace University class of 2025, I present to you the badge Conqueror.
May you continue to strive for excellence, lead with integrity, and carry the values of IAU wherever you go.
On behalf of the entire academic community, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. Your hard work, your dedication, and resilience have brought you to this proud moment, and your passion will surely carry you toward even greater heights. We would also like to express our deepest gratitude to the parents, families, mentors, and guests who have been part of this journey. Thank you for your unwavering support, your presence today, and for walking alongside our graduates every step of the way.
With hearts full of pride and hope, we now formally close today's ceremony. Once again, congratulations, and may your journey ahead be guided by purpose and grace.
Congratulations, and may your journey ahead be guided by purpose and grace.
Singing. As proud members of the Indiana Aerospace University community,
we're doing stay alive.
forward with purpose.